we started off our Christmas tree decorating with a little Christmas music. The right music always sets the mood for Christmas. If you're new to Artsy Cupcake, welcome to my happy channel. My name is Maria and I share tips on the art of life, home, health, and style. I do fashion lookbooks, home decorating, and healthy recipe videos. So if you like those types of things, please make sure to subscribe. Today we'll be decorating my Christmas tree. I do a classic gold and red color scheme for my Christmas decor because I think it is very elegant and there aren't many other chances during the year to use such a bold color combination. It feels very traditional yet classy at the same time, and I just love it. So let's get right into this Christmas tree decorating where I'll walk you through some of the steps I like to take to make the whole process a little bit easier, and let's just go. So after I put on the Christmas music, I like to make sure to have some Christmas scents. I use this plug-in from Glade with the first scent since my tree is artificial. It's called Enchanted Evergreens and it smells pretty realistic. I plug it in right by the tree. Next, I get all my bins out, and since this tree is already pre-lit and fluffed up, I'm moving right on to the angel. I start by filling in any holes with these poinsettias. The fact that they are kind of sheer is perfect because they still allow the lights to shine through. I will try to link any of these items that I can find in the description box below. I found these little red bird ornaments at Target, and most of the ornaments are actually from Target. They came in nice sets, and I think Target still has a lot of these. When I'm hanging the ornaments, I try to hang them somewhere where they won't rest on another branch. I just think it looks nice when there's enough clearance for them to kind of dangle and move with the tree. Fragile ornaments should go towards the top if you have children or pets, and step back occasionally to take a look at the tree from different angles to make sure that you aren't missing any spots. I use these green hooks because they blend in really well with the tree. I organized my ornaments in these bins, and they came with the separators, but you could make these yourself. I then work my way around the tree looking for the right spots for the ornaments. course, it's always nice to have some ornaments that are more meaningful and maybe passed down to you. So I have a few of those as well. Like this little ballerina ornament, I've had her since I was a little girl. And this one from Lost Maples Park, where I went on my birthday. And then this nutcracker was a gift, but I decided not to hang it on the tree, and instead I used it as a table decoration. The rocking horse and balloon I've had since 1983. I use these bows as the last step to fill in any empty spaces. They're foam, so they're very flexible, and they can be pushed far towards the center of the tree to fill in any empty spaces. So here is the finished tree. The angel is plugged in and she glows so beautifully. All the spots are filled and it's just elegant and ready for Christmas. I will be posting a Christmas decor home tour soon, so make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on that. I will be showing everything from my front door to my living room and the fireplace mantle and dining room. So I'm wanting to build a positive community right here on Artsy Cupcake, and I would just love to get to know you in the comment section below. So make sure to leave me a comment and let me know what you thought of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.